حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح.
In my mind, I had a vision I had to complete, and I'm like that. Once I got something on my mind, I have to complete it. I don't care if I have to work day and night and whatever I'm dealing with. You know, I'll just get on with it and just smash it out. Where is your t-shirt? Where is your t-shirt?
Big problem.
Why are you not wearing your t-shirt? Big problem, Ahmed. Big problem. Gulle, not gulle. I came for holiday to sit in the sun, drink pina colada with my friend, and you make with my hand. My wife kicked me out of the house. Let me see if the glue's dry a bit. Careful, no too much dick. Korean driving on boat will fly off and he'll be talking all about it for 6 months. You don't have a story to tell what. Kareem, you star head up there. Like, Hardest got depression because of you. And my cousin, I don't know what you did to him. And this white hair here is your fault. The customer specified he wanted a bespoke interior and something different. I ordered the highest quality Napa leather from Italy, had it stitched and tailored in Enkahnz HQ in the UK. The finish was phenomenal, and the build that Paul did on the seats was immaculate. It was tailor-made, just like a suit. Just like an artist signs the bottom of his canvas, my canvas is my car and my signature is the black badge. I only fit the black badge on a vehicle that personally built by myself or my team. That's what we call a signature vehicle. The job would have taken at least 3 to 4 weeks if I wasn't there, but to get it done in 5 working days, that's a big achievement for me. Car's finally all done. It was 5 grueling days and nights, I'd say. The team kicked in with me. I'm happy with it. So is the customer. We took it downtown last night and they had a massive response. Everybody were loving it, taking pictures, snapping it on Instagram and everything. Let's get on to the next project.
So there you go, that's my first international build that I did from start to finish with the lads. I've had a lot of clients, call me out to come and customise their car internationally. I've been so busy with my own work here in the UK, but this time I think I'm going to go ahead and take on a few projects. This being my first, hopefully I've learned a lot from this. I'd just like to thank all the lads at SO Autos in Marrakesh. A great set of lads, really went out of the way with this build, and we had so much fun on the way and so much experience was gained from both parties. I want to give a special thanks to Mohammed the manager, Yusuf and Salim the painters, and Badr the star apprentice. I've got a very inspirational guy behind the camera. His name's Harith FND. I love his work. He's probably the best camera guy that I've worked with, and he's pushing me to obviously showcase my work off. Make sure to subscribe on our YouTube channel, share and comment on our videos, and stay tuned for all our new content.